Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So out here at a different job site this morning. I just got back in the afternoon, so I'm recording this now. Anyways, we came out here and hooked up another 2 different trailers. As you can see, different surroundings, really nice and beautiful, out in the middle of nowhere, but some good views. And then also there is a river across the way right there. So some kind of similar to the marina job site where there's a river and like an island kind of with some trees. So it's pretty nice to look at. Anyways, got this hooked up. This is pretty much the same exact scenario in Stevenson, the other job site, which you'll see here at the end of the day. The one that I went to yesterday, which I didn't think I was going back to, which I ended up going back to today. Went back out there and finished that up and finished this one up so that someone else started. Someone from my company started this, put this giant pole up. This is an overhead service. The one that I did yesterday was a underground transformer service. So as you can see, the wire's still up there, so there's no power on it. I don't know where it's coming from, probably from over this way from those power lines. But anyways, what I did out here today was this was already mounted and everything, just replaced the ground wire because it was too short. Working with the apprentice again that I was yesterday. He just started at the company yesterday and today, so he was working out at Intel for a while, so change of pace for him because he wanted a change of pace because he was out there for like a year or something as an apprentice, and he wanted to do something different, so he asked for a rotation. Anyways, replaced this ground wire and then added in these 3 wires here, just like the other job site. These are on 250 amp breakers, and then this is a 30 amp breaker with a coil right there for a plug-in later. So 50 amp for that trailer, 50 amp for the trailer behind me, and then 30 amp for this right there. So same exact scenario, knocked out the breaker things, put the breakers in, wired it up, and that's pretty much it. And then stapled the ground wire right there. These are my new work boots. They work pretty good. If you know, you know. So anyways, yeah, I'll show you the other job site here in a second. Same exact thing, finished up the ground wire over there. And then finished putting in the wire on the other job site and wiring up the same exact way. One of them was wired yesterday, but added the other 2 in there and then pounded the ground rods in because we got the grounder pounder. That's not what it's called. It's not what it's called, but that's what I just called it, so that was funny. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty much it. And yeah, I'll show you that now. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video. All right guys, so I did forget to mention one thing, and that was well, the first hour of work pretty much sat here and waited for someone to show up with the van and the material. So the first hour did literally like nothing. They just showed up to this job site, so I had to get some information. So it took a while to get the information and the parts, so that took about an hour. And then as soon as we got started over here, like I was saying, I realized as soon as everyone left, the material handler and stuff like that, realized we didn't have these connectors here for 1 inch. They had some 3/4 from the other job, but they were too small. So I had to run to the store, and because I'm out in the middle of nowhere, it took 30 minutes each way. So that was another hour burnt. And then just went out to Stevenson again. That was an hour and 15 minutes each way. So I had to go out there, come back here because I took the van and left my car here. So that's 2.5 hours more of driving. So 2.5 hours of driving on the end of the day, and then an hour to the store and back, and then a wasted hour in the morning. So pretty much 4.5 hours of nothing or drive time. So it was pretty much half of the day right there. So free money, that's really nice. So I enjoyed that. So yeah, pretty much one of the easiest days since I've been a first-term apprentice right out the gate, driving around, getting materials and stuff like that back in the day. So definitely a throwback, and I enjoyed it. Right about noon when I was heading out to the other job site, the hour-and-a-half drive, or hour and 15-minute drive, I realized like, wow, this day's gonna drag on. But as soon as we got out there and started working, it went by really fast. So that was great. So super excited about that. So yeah, on to the second job. All right guys, so back at the second job site, the one I was at yesterday, which I didn't think I was coming back to. Finished pounding in the ground rods, as you can see here. Buried the ground wire, got that all tightened down. Ground wire tightened down to the acorns. And then from there, added in the other 2 SO cords. There was one in there yesterday, added the other 2, one for the second trailer, one coiled up down here for a third eventual trailer, added a piece of strut onto the post there for when they put the pipe in, and then also put in the male adapter into the bottom of the left side of the main. So they will be ready for that, and then here's the wire. Alright guys, giving you a quick view of kind of what the job site looks like. This is down the road a little bit, obviously. Actually didn't know that, but it is. And this is the Bonneville Power Dam right there. But you get the kind of this scenery here, just some beautiful mountains and river going through here, so pretty sweet. I just want to show you guys that. And that other job site this morning was pretty awesome as well on another river. So pretty beautiful job sites, lots of driving today, and really good day, super easy. All right guys, so pulled over in the van to give you guys a view. This is pretty much straight down, but yeah, it's super beautiful out here. This is the Columbia River Gorge, and yeah, it's incredible. So very beautiful. Yeah, I'll give you guys a little view right here, really narrow road right here, but super awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoy this view. All right guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It would greatly help out the channel, and I would really appreciate it. And I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Check the description down below for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless, and have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.